Welcome to class today, geometry students, on this Monday the 27th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you had a nice weekend. Let's take a look at this week's schedule. Today, homework and notes. Tomorrow, a quiz. We'll talk about that later. Homework, a quiz and homework. Wednesday, homework. Thursday, notes. And Friday, some more homework, okay? So there's the schedule for the week. Nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you on Friday. Incompletes. We have a lot, guys. I'm not sure what's going on here, but here we go. This assignment here for U5 must be turned in by today, or it's a 0. Any problems with that, just email me, okay? All that I ask is for a good reason and communication. The mid-chapter review for you 7 students. It must be turned in by tomorrow, or it will be a permanent 0. Any problems with that, please talk to me. All right. Quiz 21 by tomorrow. You 5 students. There's a problem, please let me know. Okay. So that's a lot of incompletes. If your name's on that list, please make sure you're taking care of it. Remember, if you're in the room on the day of a test or a quiz, you will take it unless you contact me before the class period starts. Now today, we're going to work on homework that covers what was taught in class on Friday, and we're going to take notes. You were to finish the teaching video over the weekend for your homework. I hope none of you forgot to do that. And by the way, if you missed class on Friday, I'm not being mean. I'm not badgering you guys, but if you missed class on Friday and you didn't get caught up over the weekend like you're supposed to, then now you're kind of in trouble, because we're working on homework today that covers the notes you were supposed to take on Friday, okay? That's why it's really important you don't get behind in a video class, okay? Here's the homework that is due tomorrow, page 451, 9 through 20, and 21 through 36. Numbers 31 through 36 on the homework will be a nice review. Now, there's the help video. It's about 28 minutes, all right? Miss Carol, students, after you have finished this assignment, I want you to watch a teaching video. You won't finish it in class, that's fine, and you do not need to finish it at home. We will finish it in class tomorrow. So, Miss Carol, please let me know how far you get into the notes video. All right, so work on the assignment first, and then we're going to take notes. Now the video today is really important. It's about trig ratios. Okay, these trig ratios are called sine, cosine, and tangent. Here's the abbreviations right here. All right, these 3 trig ratios plus their inverse ratios. I'm not sure why I have it in here or here. These 3 trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent, are really important. Their inverses are important also, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. However, we don't get into these in geometry. We get into these in pre-cal, okay? Please learn this material well. Sine, cosine, and tangent. It's very important. There's a teaching video about 41 minutes long. So please get a good start on it in class today, and we'll finish it tomorrow in class. All right? Now, let's have a little chat about calculators. All right? Guys, we are not to use cell phones for calculators in my class. I don't care what other teachers do, not in my class. And I also do not let you share calculators. There's a reason for that. There are memories on calculators, and answers can be stored in those and shown to others. So when you come to class, you are to use your own calculator. If you forgot it, then you're going to have to, I'm sorry, work the quiz or test without a calculator. Now, if you want to go to your locker and get one, and Miss Carol, that's fine. But we are not to share calculators in class, all right? And we are definitely not going to use our cell phones for calculators, okay? End of conversation. That's the rule. If you have any concerns, you can let me know, all right? Now, here are the A averages for this week. Ethan and Lachlan, okay? There are others, but remember, if you're behind on quizzes or tests, then you can't be on the A average list, okay? So the only two students exempt from homework this week are Ethan and Lachlan, okay? Your quizzes from Friday are graded and entered into Sycamore. We'll go over those once everyone has taken those. Now, here are the Chapter 8 stats. Your Chapter 8 tests should have been passed back to you today. There were no F's. That was great. There were only 2 C's and 2 D's. That's good. There were 7 B's and 3 A's. 3 A's, we had a 99 for Lachlan, a 97 for Ethan, and a 93 for Lucas. So congratulations to those students. Listen carefully. If anyone, actually, you know what? This isn't necessary because no one failed, and the highest you can get on a retake is a 70, so no one got less than a 70, so no one's going to retake it, so just ignore that, okay? All right, moving on. We will go over your test tomorrow, and your test corrections will be due next Tuesday, all right? Now, let's go over tomorrow's quiz, all right? Okay, students, so your fill in the blanks are theorems 9.5, 9.6, and 9.7, okay? So please write that down. There's your fill in the blanks. Now the next part is tough. You're going to have to study for this quiz. I listed out in your notes 3 things to know about a 45, 45, 90 triangle. On the quiz, they're not fill in the blank. You've got to list out those 3 things. For a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I gave you 4 things. They're not fill in the blank. You're going to have to list those out. No, I'm not asking for word perfect. Let me see if I can pull those up for you. I'm not asking for a word perfect, but you're going to have to know this, okay? So here it is. Right here, I gave you 3 things in your notes. Know those, be able to list them out. For a 30, 60, 90 triangle, I want you to know all 4 of these. List them out. Now, not word perfect, but you're going to have to know them, okay? Now, any homework from 9.3 and 9.4 is fair game. No, I'm sorry. Let's see, 1.2. Let's see, 1.2. Yeah, that's right. Any homework from 9.3 and 9.4 is fair game. So that's your quiz for tomorrow, okay? That's all for today. Please get to work on your homework and notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions at all.